Hey guys, so I got another quick tip. This one's in Photoshop and finding lost layers. I was surprised being a teacher. There was a lot of students that didn't know this existed, and they took fundamentals of Photoshop. There's just a lot of tools you can forget possibly, or they were never shown this. So say you have tons of layers, and it happens sometimes you get in a zone. I got one of my older files here with a few things unnamed, and you don't know where a particular item is in your layers. You don't know where it's at and how to get to it. You don't know because it's not named. So to find out the names of the ones you're in the region when you're selecting, what you can easily do is just right click and select. You see this says tat test, and it's using the move tool. So you want to use the move tool, click on that, and then right click the area of interest, and it will tell you which layer is in there, and you can find out by clicking the one you want, and then you can name it. So you can rename it from there. So I thought this was a really cool tip. It's really fast. Again, if you don't know where your layers are at, go to the, you'll say you have multiple ones that are unnamed, go to your move tool, right click the region that you want to look at, and as you right click, you'll get all the options of all the layers in that area using the move tool. And again, I'm right clicking, I'm seeing what layers, and you notice most of mine are named. There's just a few that are not. And you can just right click it and see layer 9. We know that that's the tattoo there. So turn that off, it goes back. And you can see I'm a big Titanfall fan. So, all right. So that's about it with that one. That was a quick tip on how to find lost layers in Photoshop and to rename them and to get them in the right spot. Again, the move tool, right click on the region that you want. You'll get a list of the layers in that area and click on the one that you want and rename it from there. Especially if you're in the zone, that's a really helpful tip.